Instabot review. What is Instabot? This app lets you get traffic from Instagram. Includes 2 free Instagram traffic methods. Comes complete with training. A proven software guaranteed to get great results. Instabot software worth $497. Brand new next-gen beginner-friendly software gets you buyers for free in just 45 seconds or less. Make money video training worth $297. Want to take the free traffic you're getting and make as much money as possible? They'll show you exactly how to start banking cash today. The included video training teaches you take the free traffic you're getting and turn it into money in your pocket right away. Agency license worth $997. Yours for free when you get this. Now for the first few buyers, they've decided to include their agency license. World-class customer support worth $297. If you have questions or need help with anything, just let them know and their world-class support team will help you out. $100 a day genuine case study worth $397. They'll also throw in their brand new case study walking you through how they made $423 using this software and leveraging the power of video marketing. Instabot review. Instabot feature free buyers in 45 seconds. Minus 100% beginner friendly. All-in-one traffic to sales solution. $100 a day tutorials included. No monthly fees ever. Attain the lifestyle you deserve. Minus 180-day money-back guarantee. Make money or we'll send you $250.
Video of Instabot. This is once you log in, this is your dashboard. Simply click on account section in the left. Add your account, add your Instagram credentials, and it will show up here. Then move to list. Click on messages and you can create your new list here. Simply type the message text you want and list name and simply click add list. Just like custom messages, you can create custom users list. Click on create new list. List name, username. If you have multiple usernames, then add multiple and simply click on add list. Now the action part. Simply click on your account and then followers. You can also send messages to following, users list, and the contacted list. Here you can send list of messages. You can select your list. Here you can type custom message. Let's say, hi there. Hello. Thank you. Then you can select the speed. Let's say it's instantly and simply send message. You can see the message is sent to all the audience. Now you can see that in the direct messenger section, you can see that all the messages are sent one by one to all those audience. And you can refresh from here and you can find all those messages. All right, so that's it for this quick demo video. You can see the messages that are going to send in this queue section. 137 messages on queue, and here when they are sent, you will see these in the sent message box. And let's say if some of them fail, then they will shown here in this failed to send messages section. All right, then that's it for this video. Till then, bye bye.